Hello everyone, this is Michael Ciola from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I will be showing you an exclusive 2,293 square feet 3-bedroom plus study penthouse right here at the Rochelle, Newton. Come on, let's check it out. You will first be greeted by this spacious living room and longish layout. It's flanked on one end by glass panel doors that lead to the balcony, providing plenty of light, breeze into this high floor unit. Our dining space is also seamlessly integrated on one side, easily fitting at least 6 guests. Now the balcony provides a beautiful unblocked view of the surroundings, low-rise developments and greenery. Under the kitchen, which continues the clean modern line of the living room design, there are plenty of functional cabinets along with the built-in oven and hob system. The owners have installed zip track blinds in the backyard to protect and utilize the area with efficiency. The junior room is a good size, beautifully decorated with the tall full-width windows that keep them brightly lit. The study room is actually quite generous, fully capable of being used as its own bedroom. It also demonstrates what you can do here, with the owners having added both an office study for work and small couch here for lounging. Now the roof terrace is lavish with enough real estate for a lounge or even a private bar. Treat yourself to the splendid panorama of this city, which will serve you as a backdrop for your evening cocktail parties. Finally, the master suite is truly grand, easily fitting a king-size bed with 2 whole walls of windows, providing a 270-degree view of the cityscape to wake up to. We are just 10 minutes walk from Newton MRT on the North-South line and Downtown line. For food and shopping, head down to famous Newton Food Centre, United Square Shopping Mall, or take a short drive down to Orchard Shopping Belt for a whole day of retail therapy. There are also a range of great schools nearby, like Singapore Chinese Girls School, St. Joseph's Institution Junior and Catholic Junior College. If you're interested in this unit here at the Rochelle and Newton, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Michael Ciola from OrangeTee and Thai AAA division signing off. Ciao.